To check your appeal status from your submittable portal, go to manager.submittable.com/login and enter in your email and password. If you've forgotten it, then you can click that Forgot button and you'll be able to be prompted to log in. When you log in, you should be under the Submissions page. Click onto this All Submissions tab if you haven't already, and you'll be able to see your application to the Minnesota Frontline Worker Pay program. If you see this blue In Progress status bar, that's a great sign. That means you have no further steps to take. But if you want to make doubly sure, simply click on your name. And when you click into this Forms tab, if you see your full application, then congrats, you have no further steps to take and you can wait to hear back from the state of Minnesota about the status of your application. If you do need to complete an appeal, you'll receive an email that will tell you to log into your Submittable account and complete any remaining forms. If you log into your Submittable account and you see this gray decline status, that's an indicator that you may need to take some action on your account. But don't worry, you can appeal that decision by completing any appeals forms within your application. To do so, click onto your name and then click into the Forms tab. From there, you'll click Continue and complete whatever the form leads you to do. When you've completed the form fields, make sure you remember to click Submit Form. And from here, you'll be able to go back into Forms. Once you submit your form, you'll be taken back into that Forms tab. And if you see any other sections that say Continue, make sure you complete those. When all of the forms underneath are gray, that means you've completed the appeal process and you can wait to hear back from the state of Minnesota.